Are you struggling with the fact that you don't want to kill this man, but have to? Or that you don't have to kill him, but want to?
When the sins of my father lay down in my soul, and the pain of my mother will not let me go. Well, I know they can't come by from the sky to refine the purest of kings.
What do you actually see?
And even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, oh, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, make it rain.
If there is a God, maybe he cares at all about it. Not any of us. Fisk will get what he deserves.
But it just keeps on getting hard. Hunger more profound. Well, I know there can come tears from the eye, but they may as well all be in vain. And even though I know these tears come with pain, even so, and just the same, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, oh, make it rain, make it rain down, Lord, just make it rain, make it rain. With all that they control, when it's time to make a change.